Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you are going to see this video. Now there is one issue that you guys are going to face while applying for this loan. For those of you that have applied before, that the upkeep is still showing verified. Now I'm going to continue this video, then I will show you how you can apply as a new student, or how you can apply. And then those of you that already have the upkeep verified, I'll still show you the issue that you are likely to face and how you can also solve it. Now if you tap on login, that's if you already have an account. But if you don't have an account, then you can tap on apply now. But if you already created an account, or you have an account, you have applied for the loan before, then you need to tap on login. And once you are here, you need to enter your name, your email address and your password. Now once you have entered your email address and your password, it will bring you to your portal. Then you can scroll up and tap on this request for student loan, which is this at the top. Now the first screen you see is for upkeep. It's for upkeep, where you have to choose if you want to be receiving upkeep or not. So you just have to tap on this, I need upkeep. Then here you'll be asked to upload some documents like your school ID card and admission letter. So you tap and upload the admission letter. Then ID card is not a must, so you can just leave that, and then tap on this continue. So once you are done, then you can continue. But those of you that already have applied before, and then your upkeep or your school fees is still showing verified or pending, if you tap on continue, this is what it will show you. Look at the top now, you see loan application failed. You have an unapproved loan, which means that you still have a pending loan that have not been approved or cancelled or rejected, anything. So for you to see that, you have to tap on these three dots at the top, this menu icon, tap on loans. And once you are here, if you tap on upkeep, upkeep is still showing verified, which is why you can't apply for a new session, because I have not verified or cancelled this upkeep here. And what you could do is just, for now, you wait this within a month or two, because payment for 2024 ends November. So once the session ends, then you can now apply for a new session. And those of you that kind of don't have the same issue, then you can go ahead and apply for a new session and wait for them to approve it too. So if you have any question or you need anything, you can always chat us on WhatsApp or contact STUDENTSDASH, so that will help you. And if you need past questions or you need study materials, don't forget to always visit the STUDENTSDASH website, which is studentsdash.com. And from there you can get past questions and anything you need about school. And also tap on this WhatsApp icon here to chat us up on WhatsApp. So if you have any question, guys, just message us and we'll guide you. Thank you.